Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace the engine oil filter and air filter on BMW X5 F15 35i. First we're going to remove the oil filler cap and then we're going to remove the oil filter. That's the oil filter cap located right there, and you will need to turn it anti-clockwise to loosen it and remove it, and that's the air filter in the back. I'm using a special tool for oil filter caps to remove the oil filter. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that the oil filter is removed, I can take it out and change the oil filter. Next I'm going to drain the engine oil. The oil drain plug is located right there. Now that the old oil is drained all the way, next I'm going to put the drain plug back on and tighten it. Next I'll show you in the service manual the filling capacity for the engine. It's 6.5 liters of oil. Some drain bolt has to be tightened to 25 Newton meters, and also the oil filter plug. And the engine oil that needs to be used is 0W30 or 5W30 with a BMW LL04 classification. Next I'm going to tighten the drain plug to 25 Newton meters, and then I'm going to go on top of the car and replace the oil filter and fill up with oil. Next I'm going to replace the oil filter. Don't forget to replace the O-rings as well that are on the oil filter cap. Next I'm going to put the filter back in its place and tighten it. Next I'm going to fill the engine with engine oil. Like we saw in the manual, it's 6.5 liters. The oil that I'm using is a BMW twin power turbo oil 5W30. So we're going to fill 6.5 liters of it into the engine. And we're done with filling the oil. Now we're going to put the oil filler cap back on, and next we're going to replace the air filter. The air filter is located behind this cover. This cover is held by 5 or 6 bolts that we need to remove. When we remove all the bolts, we're just going to lift up the cover and pull out the air filter and put on the new one. After we put on the new air filter, we're going to put the cover back on and tighten the bolts, and then we're done with replacing the oil and the filters. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.